The truth is, feminine elegance is not something you're born knowing. It's something you choose to become. And it starts right here. This isn't about buying a new wardrobe or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about beginning again with grace. With intention. With the belief that you deserve to feel beautiful, feminine, and completely at home in your skin. Whether you are 21 or 61, just beginning or beginning again, this is for the woman who wants to learn how to be more elegant and feminine. Not for the world's applause, but for her own alignment. Welcome to your first, or most important, lesson. 1. She begins with her posture and presence. The first step in how to be more elegant and feminine for beginners is not makeup, not fashion. It's posture. A woman who wants to look more feminine naturally must learn to carry herself with softness and pride. Shoulders back, chin up, eyes forward. She enters a room with quiet confidence. Standing tall not only elongates her frame, but sends the message that she is grounded. She is not flustered, not frazzled. Even if her life feels messy, she leads with grace. An elegant woman, even a beginner, practices standing and sitting with poise every single day. Her presence is felt, not forced. 2. She builds a soft, feminine wardrobe. A beginner doesn't need a whole new wardrobe. She simply needs to begin swapping pieces that clash with her feminine energy for those that enhance it. Soft, flowing fabrics. Wrap dresses. Blouses with delicate necklines. A-line skirts. Pastel tones or timeless neutrals like ivory, blush, navy, and caramel. A woman who wants to dress more feminine and elegant must first ask, how do I want to feel in my clothes? Does this outfit reflect softness? Does it honor my shape without revealing too much? She is not chasing sexy, she is embracing beauty. Even in jeans, a feminine woman adds polish. A tucked-in silk blouse. A pair of pointed flats. A delicate watch. She keeps it simple yet graceful. Beginners, listen closely. It's not about looking expensive. It's about looking intentional. Three, she speaks with refinement. To become a more elegant and feminine woman, especially as a beginner, one must master the art of speech. An elegant woman does not shout. She does not rush. She listens more than she talks, and when she does speak, she does so with clarity and calm. This is not about sounding fake or stiff. It's about honoring her own words. A classy woman avoids gossip. She avoids vulgarity. She replaces complaints with curiosity. Instead of, "Ugh, I hate today," she says, "Today is teaching me patience." Her words reflect who she is becoming. Feminine women also speak with warmth. "Good morning." "Thank you. You look lovely today." These are not outdated. They are the elegant woman's everyday vocabulary. 4. She curates her scent and self-care. A beginner in femininity must understand the power of subtle, consistent self-care. Elegance begins in private. She doesn't wait for special occasions. She wears soft perfume daily, maybe vanilla, rose, amber, or powder. She chooses a signature scent that makes her feel womanly, clean, and magnetic. Her nails are neat, maybe nude or pink. Her skin is moisturized. She doesn't strive for perfection, she strives for polish. Feminine elegance means she feels beautiful in her own space. Even when she's home alone, she lights a candle. She brushes her hair. She drinks tea from a real cup. Because the feminine woman lives beautifully, for herself first. 5. She practices calm and emotional control. Elegance is calm in the storm. A beginner might struggle at first, but the more a woman learns to respond instead of react, the more she becomes a high-value feminine woman. She does not allow external chaos to control her internal peace. She breathes before speaking. She pauses before answering. She gives herself permission to feel, but she processes privately. A feminine woman protects her softness by managing her emotions. This doesn't mean she is weak. It means she's wise. Classy women aren't doormats. They simply don't allow emotions to dictate their elegance. 6. She builds a feminine lifestyle, not just a look. Being more feminine isn't only about fashion, it's about flow. A beginner must learn to slow down. She romanticizes ordinary moments. She makes her space beautiful. She sets routines that nurture her mind and spirit. Maybe she journals. Maybe she listens to soft music. Maybe she walks slowly instead of rushing. A feminine lifestyle means a woman honors her energy. She eats thoughtfully. She rests without guilt. She creates beauty wherever she goes. Even if she works a 9 to 5, she carves out softness in her schedule. Her life becomes a reflection of her internal elegance. 7. She shows kindness, even when it's not easy. The most elegant feminine women are not made by what they wear, but by how they treat others. A classy woman is gentle, not because the world is, but because she chooses to be. She says please. She smiles at strangers. She helps without needing attention. Feminine energy attracts, not by force, but by presence. A beginner must remember, you don't become more feminine by looking the part. You become more feminine by embodying the softness, wisdom, and grace of womanhood in every small interaction. She is just beginning, but she is already on her way. The feminine woman you want to become is already within you. With every soft word, with every graceful outfit, with every act of calm and kindness, you are becoming her. Thank you for watching She Is Rich. If you're ready to look more feminine, dress with elegance, and live with grace, this channel is for you. Subscribe now for weekly videos on how to look elegant every day, how to embody feminine energy, and how to live like the high-value woman you truly are. You are already everything you're becoming.